Hi, I'm Mike at OCD Lawn Care, and it's going to be a quick video. We're going to show you a new tool we got. It was my birthday and my father treated me to a seed slitter, and it's it's looking good. Never used it. I'm going to use it the first time with you guys. So you can see there, we've got all the slotting tool there, and we're going to use it to fix small areas. Also on here we have a foot plate, so you can put your foot on those firm areas, so you could push down on that plate and roll it out. So we're going to repair some areas. I might even try it all over the lawn. You can get cheap ones on eBay, but this is made in the UK. Got the British flag on there, so I'm happy about that. And we're going to fix this area up here, and we're going to do an overseed. The temperatures are coming up a bit now, so it's time to go really. I'm not too fussed about this lawn. This is my lawn, so I'm just going to basically just show you, using this tool, what you can achieve. You can get cheap ones on eBay, about 35 quid. This one, £200. It's made well. It's heavy, yeah, it's quite heavy. Actually good for a workout. I've joined a gym and I've lost 20 pounds, so I'm not going into this season with the big beer gut. I'm slender now. I won't be puffing and panting. I've got a lot of soil to lift. So let's get down this area and I'll show you how it works. Okay, as you can see there, that has melted away because it stays wringing wet, no airflow, and people walk on the lawn there. We have moss, I'm not worried about that. We're just going to show you this tool. So because it's so heavy, we don't need to apply a lot of weight to it. We're just going to push in and get some lines on there. And those harder areas, if I put my foot on it, twist it round, I'm left footed there. And that is the thing. So as you can see there, it's making lots of slots and grooves for the seeds to sit in. So that's working well on clay, very claggy clay. Shouldn't really be doing this early, but got some moss in there. Not worried. We're just going to do this for this tool. And look at that. That's a good sign, right? So I'll put the camera further over, and you can see me working hard. Okay, when you're using the seed slotter, don't walk over the area that you've just done, because you'll close those slots up. We're going to show you a method after to get those seeds closed in. Whew, it's hard work. When I look at the sun going down toward the sky, so I find if you get low down and press hard, not too hard, just enough, get about 4mm, 3mm, it works a lot better. Keeps them nice and open, ready for us to close up after. So get down to the bottom and just put your body weight on it really. Quite easy, bit of a workout, but we all need a workout, right? Let's put it down loads of holes. All of my dreams are now a step away. Okay, let's show you what it's doing lots of slots. I can't walk on the lawn yet. You can see along here. Can we see that? Yeah, all along there. See those slots? And that's across the whole lawn. So that's perfect. So we're going to flick some seed out now. Just some Boston Seeds economy. And I'll show you the best method. Okay, so it's now important. I've got my seed, got about 5 kilos, Boston Seeds economy. It's important that I don't step on there because I'm going to close the slots. So what I need to do is only walk behind where I've seeded. Yeah, so I'm going to go onto the lawn over there and walk behind the actual seeding hopper. Yeah, so that's the best way because I don't want to undo my work and my effort of all these slots. After is fine, so walk behind the spreader itself. So just to get on there, flick some out by hand. And then just walking behind everywhere I've seeded.
At the end of the world, there's something I can learn. Some good ideas will pop up with a new, different wind. I'm gonna let it take me to people that will trust me. I've been stuck inside my house.
Okay, that's the seed all out, and as I'm walking, because it's clay lawn disaster, don't forget, it's closing the holes. But what I'm going to do, just to make sure, I'm going to run a lawn loop over it. You can use a rake if you want, doesn't matter, but the lawn loop's a little bit heavier, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it backwards at first over the lawn, and then I'm going to push down forwards. And this is just going to move the seed off the leaf, any that are sitting up.
Can't stand being all alone, wasting hours on my phone. I'm ready to go now. On my way, I won't let fear hold me back. This here is
Okay, started to drizzle. Does it ever stop raining? 2026 hasn't stopped raining yet, but it's a bit milder, so that's why I'm doing this, just to show you that tool. So now I've done the light press over. I'm going to do a firm press by walking forward, putting my weight into a loop, and you can do that at the back of your rake should you wish to do so, just to close those holes up. So let's get a push on, pushing down into that and then pushing forward. Bit of effort on this pass, and it'll reward you, right? Pushing down hard. Look at the worm casts. Disgusting. But it doesn't matter for now. Not on this lawn anyway.
all of my dreams, and now a step away. So here I am, about to explore.
Okay, so that's it done. There's no slots, no slits in that. Clay is awful. Left all the worm casts on there. I'll show you all the smudges where the worm casts were. And to be honest with you, this needs rotating. It's a new build from way back when, but still a new build, right? And you know they didn't do a good job. They literally threw turf down on here 10 years ago, 12 years ago, and it wasn't even level. It's shocking, but I'm so busy. So that's it. Is that tool good? Yeah, I think that's going to be great for fixing small areas. And if you've got the strength, push it all over your lawn. But if you do it at the right time, when it's a bit moist on the top, you're going to get rewarded from that. It's not as much effort. But that's a good tool. costs more money than the eBay one, and the reason is heavier and it's well made. Yeah, it's proper tool. So thanks to my father for that. We've got some new tools coming out for you to look at this year that we already own. We'll be showing you them in the coming videos. Yeah, so I've put this seed down this early because it's old seed, it needs to be gone, so it's gone. Let's get it gone. So I'll show you what happens. Maybe the pigeons come down and eat it all, but I'm hoping with those slots in there, quite a lot is protected. Okay, so what have we got coming up this year? I think, if the customer likes the quote, we have the world's mossiest lawn, and I'm going to show you how we get rid of moss. It's 3 inches thick, it's hideous. There's tons and tons of moss to come out of 600 square metre lawn. It's a big job, so that'll be interesting. We also got the bowls green, 4 Marks Bowls Club. We'll be working with the greenkeepers there, and we've got 80 silica sand and 20 soil going on there. No compost, don't want no compost on the bowls green. So yeah, we'll be filming that. That'll be interesting. Bent fescue, first time I've ever done one, and it's an actual bowls green. We've got to speed it up for the ladies. Average age is about 70 to 80 in that club. So the ladies can't get the bowls green. I'm not into bowls, but you know, when the men throw that jack too far, the ladies are struggling, the green's too slow. My job is to speed it up and get an overseed. A big job, 1,200 square metres, got to be fleeced and top dressed. So yeah, that'll be interesting. So we've got a lot of stuff coming up, and we're back at Graham's lawn doing a renovation on that. Back on Nick's lawn, so it's going to be fantastic. Like, share, subscribe, keep watching the videos, guys. This is a bit of a bodge job because I'm so busy. I just had to get this done now, and I saw the temperatures at 10, 11, 12 degrees for the foreseeable. Who can trust a weatherman, right? So I think Michael Fish is back here. So what we do, we'll see you soon. Next time you'll see us, we'll be on the bowls green doing an iron treatment, getting that moss, dehydrate that moss, and then we go in and get the job done and fleeced. Big job, interesting. But I will come back as to the efforts on this. As I say goodbye, thank you all, and you'll see the mess I've made on this lawn. There's no slots now though, and all the worm casts have been smudged. When you're on a clay lawn, you're doomed. It is what it is. Take care for now. See you soon, guys.